Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect sheets on Airtable in 2025 step by step. So step 1, open your Airtable workspace and click the Automations tab on the top menu bar. Step 2, choose Create Automation and then select a trigger. It is either manual, on schedule, or webhook depending on your sync preference. Step 3. For the action step, click Add Action and search for Google Sheets and connect your Google account. Step 4. Select the spreadsheet and worksheet that you want to connect, then define the data range or column headers. Step 5. Add another action like Create Record or Update Record in Airtable and map each column from Sheets to your Airtable table. Step 6. Test your automation and if everything works, toggle the switch at the top to turn on the sync. Step 7. You can now set this to run automatically, keeping your Google Sheets data synced with your Airtable base. And now you can automate your workflows between Airtable and Google Sheets with ease. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.